Hello, my name's Adam and I'm currently operating as the CMO for Vantora. I'd first like to thank you all for reviewing and taking the time to review our application. Unfortunately, I'm overseas, so I will be unable to take part with the team to complete this application, but I'll hand it over to the rest of them to complete the rest of this. Just wanted a little introduction. Thank you.
Hi there, thank you for taking the time to review our application. We wanted to include a video submission as well because we're so passionate about the hatchery and Vantora itself. So Vantora bridges the gap between engineering and sleep science as well as human recovery and performance. So we develop sleep wearables which are optimized to drive recovery and also executive performance. So my name is Roman. I'm the founder of Vantora and the CEO, and this is my team.
My name's James. I am the CFO of Vantora.
I'm David. I study mechanical engineering and I'm the CTO of Vantora.
So the sleep tech industry is currently evaluated at approximately $20 billion and it's projected to grow from here. Through our own quota-based primary research, including surveys and client feedback, about 70% of our 150 respondents said that they feel drowsiness and sleep deprivation symptoms at least once a week, with about 40% of those people feeling those symptoms most of the week. So the core problem is therefore not the sleep quantity itself, but it's the quality which they must achieve through biologically misaligned sleep and waking.
This is our current testing rig. Here we are validating the circuit design and component choices, as well as finding out any potential thermal risks. In the next iteration, we plan on using a battery and an aesthetic-based charging port and a set of buttons to change things such as waking time or light intensity. As a long-term business product plan, we wish to integrate ECG sensors for biological monitoring, and we hope to patent that technology.
Over the last couple of weeks, we have been developing a full financial model to help with the projections of the numbers of the company in the first couple of phases of our business. As will be shown on the right side of the screen, you can see that we have projected a gross margin of 73% as our base case, and even better, reaching 80% in our best case, and only falling to 62 or 63% in our worst case scenario. Now, this model covers both phase 1 and phase 2. It has a number of interactive sliders such as the retail price, the units sold, the customer acquisition costs, and I think it really has assisted us with understanding the direction of our business and financially how it will work, what sort of profit levels we'll be working at, what sort of cost of each unit will be working out, and it's been incredibly important for progressing ourselves mentally in terms of where we wish this business to go. Of course, we expect this model to be incorrect with the changing market conditions, changing demand of consumers, even implications from the hatchery yourselves. Any advice or any information you give us, we expect this to change. But that leads me on to why we want to be a part of this hatchery in the first place. And I think that can be summed up by 3 core ideas. The first of which being the go-to-market execution that we expect to gain from being in this program. The hatchery is known for providing strategic guidance and helping the team refine their launch and properly capture all markets that would happily adopt our product in the early stages. And secondly, of course, the hatchery provides powerful network access. You have direct connections to manufacturers, hardware specialists, advisors, and that will greatly assist us in accelerating our development of our product and pushing this to market. And thirdly, even most importantly, of course, the hatchery is known for helping with founder development and maximizing our long-term leverage. You are incredibly good at helping build entrepreneurial skill sets. You're incredibly good at benefiting decision-making and the resilience of the team. And you are known to have a really high quality network that we think Vantora and our future endeavors will benefit from greatly.
Again, thank you for taking the time to review our application. We hope to see you in the interview stage.